This is a grinder that my dad rigged up probably 30 years ago or longer. He got a regular grinder that burned up, the motor burned up in it, and of course it probably bogged down a lot and all that too. So he hooked this big motor up to it. He cut a hole in the back, took all the motor guts out of it, put a shaft in it, and put a pulley on it where this belt would go into it. And then you got this capacitor here that's completely unprotected, could catch you at any time and shock you. It did have a little bit of tape around it, but that's not very good. And this cord is old and getting brittle, and the wiring in it's starting to break up. So I think I'm going to completely rewire it and repaint it, clean it up, just get it looking a lot better. Just do a full restoration on it. So I've already gutted out a bunch of the electrical. It was in pretty bad shape. But all you've got in here in this part is just the switch, the on-off switch. And of course the cord come in here, and the wiring going out to the motor went out through there and come out through one of the vent holes, is the way my dad had it rigged up. So I'm going to do a little something different with that, and rather than having these 3 strands coming out of the motor like this is, I'm going to actually run a cord out of it. But I'm going to start getting it all tore apart. I'm probably going to go ahead and paint it while I got it apart. I think I'm going to start with cleaning this motor all up, getting it painted up and polished up, and then I'll work on the other part. that's it, guys. Pretty well restored. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.